Hello children, good afternoon. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today in 5th class assignments I am going to say the 10 blanks. The very first blank is dash season is experienced after summer and before winter. The season which we are experiencing after summer and before winter, that is autumn. During the autumn season all the leaves fell off. Next, the dash of the earth axis plays a vital role in the changing of season. Here, as we know, the earth is not, when we see the globe, it is not straight, it is tilted, isn't it? So due to the tilted axis we are experiencing the changing of seasons, we are experiencing the different seasons. So answer here comes tilt. Next, third one, during the dash days and nights are equal length. Here during the equinoxes the days and nights will be equal of length. During these 2 days, during the equinoxes, in every year 2 days will be there. During that equinoxes the days and nights will be equal. Next, fourth one, 21st dash and 23rd dash are known as the equinoxes. As I said, there are 2 days. So that is 21st of March and 23rd of September. In these days the equinoxes happens. Equinoxes means the days will be, the nights and days will be equal of length. Next, fifth one, during the summer solstice the sun's rays directly falls on the Tropic of Cancer. During the summer solstice the sun rays directly falls on the Tropic of Cancer. Solstice means the intersection of path. During that the sun rays falls directly on the Tropic of Cancer. Very first one, autumn season is experienced after summer and before winter. The tilted of earth axis plays a vital role in the changing of season. During the equinoxes the days and nights of equal length. Then fourth one, 21st March and the 23rd September are known as the equinoxes. Then fifth one, during the summer solstice the sun's rays shine directly on the Tropic of Cancer. Next, sixth one, dash rotates from east to west. The planet which rotates from east to west, that is Venus. Venus planets rotates from east to west. Then seventh one, 22nd December are known as the winter solstice. Winter solstice happens on 22nd December. Next, eighth one, the length of the days and nights is not same in the dash. During the solstice the nights and days will not be same, but during the equinoxes the nights and days will be same. So here answer comes solstice. Next, we experience different seasons due to dash axis and the dash. As we know, the earth is not straight. The planet earth is not straight. When we see the globe, we can see that it is tilted to one side, isn't it? Because of the inclined axis. Inclined axis, and we are experiencing the seasons due to inclined axis and the revolution of the earth around the sun. So here answer comes inclined axis and revolution. Next, 10th one, the leaves turn red and brown before falling off the tree in dash season. During the autumn season, as I said, from the trees the leaves fall off, and during the spring season again new leaves appears. So these are the 10 blanks I wanted to say in this assignment. Thank you so much. Thank you all.